Hey, what's good everyone? Today we're gonna take a detailed look at the latest release by Dizygotic on the Project Alpha. This is a collaboration between Dizygotic and Penn, the tennis brand, and the background of course is the rebellious phase in the late 80s, early 90s. Of course, everybody's thinking right away of Andre Agassi, one of the most remarkable players of the time and probably still today. And Michael Hernandez, who is responsible for this collaboration. It's his first collaboration work at Dizygotic. Used to play tennis in his teenage years or youth. So did I, so this really resonates with me. And when Dizygotic asked me if I want to have this pair, I said, yes, please. And as you can see, Dizygotic sent me this pair, but this is still an independent review. They did not tell me what to say, and they didn't even ask me to do a video. They just asked me if I want to have this pair. But I think this thing is really awesome, and of course I'm doing a review, and as you know me, most of the time I'm only doing reviews of sneakers that I like, and these I really like. Big fan of Agassi back in the day. Boris Becker, not really my thing back then. It was a weird dude back then already, and he's even more weird today, but hey, everybody's different. So what do you get in this whole thing? You get a lot. You get, of course, a mismatched pair, and this is called Mixmatched because of the fact that this is a collaboration between a tennis brand and a sneaker brand. So the big pun. And there's so much going on this pair, it's unbelievable. And there's also so much going on in this whole packaging. The packaging is unreal. I think this is the, not most crazy, or not the craziest packaging, but I think this is the most extensive packaging they have done. And I'm gonna show you what comes in the package. Of course, first of all, you get this box here that folds up in the middle as usual. Dizygotic butterfly logo on the outside. I have removed this already because it fell out earlier. Here it is. You get a beautiful golden shiny postcard here with a pen and Dizygotic butterfly logo. On the other side there's a million of tennis balls also with the Dizygotic Penn branding. Just showing you right there. You have the same graphic stuff here on the inside of the box. It comes with 3 sets of laces. The mismatched pair that is in the sneakers, a mismatched pair in white and blue, and the other one in white and yellow. Those are all these are flat laces, and you can decide which one you want to sport in your sneakers. It also comes with the brooch. As usual, you can see that there, it's silver and black this time with Penn branding on it. And it has this foam core inside where you are placing your sneakers right in, like so. This is like a weapon suitcase, a gun suitcase, or music equipment and stuff like that. But there's more. We got 2 sets of tennis balls. These have been produced exclusively for this collaboration. 3 and 3, so 6 balls all together here. I haven't opened them up, but these are branded everywhere. So this is really dope. So if you're playing tennis, you can really use these to play. And there's more tennis balls, but I'm gonna show you that when I'm doing the review of the sneaker. And there's more. You get this wooden case here also with the Penn and Dizygotic branding in gold on the denim material. It opens up here with a Velcro strip and more. This is branded into the wood. Again, both logos. And then we have 3 more tennis balls, and these are so awesome. 3 of them, all different colors and materials. This is a match of the canvas, the denim, and the highlighter green tennis ball felt. And these are so awesome, and look at them. Penn 1, the butterfly on the back or front, whichever way you're looking at them. Again, this is Penn 2, also the logo. Yeah, and this is, doesn't say anything. This just says Penn. One is 1 and 2, the other one is just branded. Really awesome. I think there are few companies today doing collaborations who put so much work into a collab. And this is really, really exceptional. Of course, you pay a premium price for this. These come in at $267. So not cheap, but if you think we're getting from Jordan, well, how much are they now? 240 US dollars or something? And now to the sneakers, of course. As a shoe tree, they are giving you 2 more additional tennis balls here. Also, Penn 1, and the other one, of course, then makes sense, is Penn 2. Of course, as usual, with Dizygotic is the mismatched theme here. And these are really awesome. I mean, I already do have 2 pairs. I have the Cheech and Chong one and the Momotaro, but I think these are my most favorite out of all of them. Not because it's the latest pair, because the colors are just awesome. They just pop so bad. It's really, really nice. It's not too flashy. I mean, they are flashy in their own regard because they have this highlighter yellow here on throughout the whole sneaker. But it's also subtle at the same time because of the denim and the canvas. And I mean, you have so much going on this sneaker. It's unbelievable. Of course, you have the Project Alpha logo here at the mudguard, and then you have the butterfly logo here on the medial and lateral side on both pairs, of course, in different colors. They always switch it up. We have the branding on the tongue on both sneakers. Both logos are rubberized materials. Also, the Penn branding on the heel is paint or rubberized material. We have a lot of logos on here. Like I said, the Project Alpha one. And on the inside, you have a signature by Michael Hernandez, blue and in highlighter yellow. And then of course, you also have the Dizygotic Z here and the Dizygotic D on the other side, both on the insides. I love that little detail. And of course, you also get a custom-made insole. I'm just gonna take out one of them. This is Penn 1 and the other one says Penn 2. This is feels a little bit like a member foam thing. Not really member foam, but it's very soft. You can see it a little bit floppy. There are other insoles that are a little bit more stiff than this one, but it's very comfortable. What else? Like I said, we have the 3 pair of laces. Those that come in the sneaker already, those are rope laces, and the other 2 are flat laces in different colors, in yellow, blue, and white. You can match them however you want. Of course, again, we have a vibrant mid and outsole, as you can see. Very, very comfortable. Blue and neon yellow or highlighter green, whatever you want to call this color. On the bottom, really, really nice. And oh man. I noticed something. Oh yeah, on the inside, it's very, very subtle detail. This is a blue spot right here. And this is a highlighter green spot right here. So very, very, very detailed collab. I like this a lot. Sizing wise, I would go up half a size from your true size, speaking your Nike size. I'm a size 13, this is size 13, and they are slightly snug. I know if you have wider feet or bigger feet, these are gonna be tight if you go with a true size. And I know a lot of people who are sizing up on them, or who have made the mistake in the first collab, going with a true size and then regretted it. It's not that it's unwearable, but it might be a little bit comfortable depending on the shape of your foot. Everybody's feet are different, so it might work for you, it might not, so you just have to try. But of course, at this price point, you do want to know how they fit, but that's how they fit for me. So take that as a recommendation. That's pretty much it, I think. Anything else? No, I think that's it. Thank you very much, Dizygotic, for sending these out. I'm really enjoying these. Having played tennis in my teenager years and in my youth, this is a great throwback in time. And as I was listening to punk rock, this was just my thing. I thought the standard tennis attire was so boring back then. It was just white and maybe blue, maybe some green thrown in. And then came a couple people who were mixing it up completely. And it's great to think back at that time, and of course stuff like that always shapes you as a person. And check out their website as well, because they have produced a couple videos and visuals for the whole campaign together with a band from Portland, I think, Portland, Oregon. It's really funny. It's great visuals, and me making videos, it's just nice to watch. So awesome, check it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'm going to see you in the next one. So until next time, bye bye.